guys, so today is here. We received our first, I guess it's the first UK Onewheel GT S-Series. We already have some customers rushing over here to pick theirs, but we want to do a quick unboxing to show you. Okay, so basically there's in the box. Let's have a look. Woo! Here we go. Alright, labels. It's nice.
Is it heavier?
No, it's actually lighter. Should be 1 kilo lighter, I think, or half kilo lighter.
New tire.
Yeah, they got this Enduro tire on it. I love the finish, it's nice, kind of matte steel finish. It's beautiful. Look. Nice. Well, first GT S-Series in the UK, guys. What do you think? Nice.
It's 130, 120 volts.
115, I believe. Alright, can't wait to try it. Onewheel GT S-Series, get yours for PT.